So hi, I have built this extension for Udemy. So that will basically what this extension does is so whenever you are watching any tutorial on Udemy, so and you have to follow along, like you need to write the code along with the tutorial how they are explaining. So what you have to do, like you have to manually pause the tutorial video and then go back to VS Code or whatever editor you are using and then write the code, then come back, then again resume the video and like go on from there. Or even if you like change the tab again, you have to like pause the video and then again if you come back to the Udemy tab, you'll have to again resume the video. So what I have done, I have made this extension that will automatically pause the video whenever the tabs or the window gets changed, or will resume it back again whenever the tab gets into focus, right? So I have built this. It is currently very simple, like it doesn't have many features as for now, like whatever I had to to do for solving the problem as I myself was facing it, so I have just written that only. What I have done, I have I have hosted the whole extension code on my GitHub. So I'll be providing the link of my GitHub repo on the description if you guys want to check that out. So if you want to use this extension, so far like I have not uploaded this extension on Chrome web stores. Before that I'll have to, I think, make this Google developer account that requires $5. So right now I have not made any developer account. Only then I'll be able to like upload the extension. So if you want to use this extension or want to like check how does it work, what you can do, you can first clone this repo, right? And then come back here like in this your head bar, and here you can see this manage extensions option. You can just click on that, and here you can toggle this developer mode. What it does, now you'll be able to load any one of your local extension file that you might have made, right? So you can just click on this load unpacked, and here I have chosen this auto pause extension, which is the folder name of the extension, and I can just select it and it will get uploaded on this extension list, right? And now what I can do is I can just spin this extension out, so it will be here only on the header bar, right? So the pop-up isn't doing much, it's just displaying some text. What it does is basically bring some functionality. So I have this
Now our goal here is going to be
tutorial going on of Rust. So as you can see, let me refresh it so the video also comes. Yeah, so
briefly spoke about
currently
modules much earlier on inside the course. So this
the
section is
tutorial
going
is
to be
going
a
on.
little bit more of
What
a
I can
focus on
do, I
what
can,
modules
if
are
I
all
go to
about
some
and how to
other
make use.
tab, you can see the tutorial get paused automatically, and if I come back to this tab,
Them. In
it get
general, we make use of
resumes
modules to group together
automatically. So
related
that's what
pieces
it
of
is
code.
doing.
So
Even
this
if
could
I
be an
just
E
change the window like totally, it also then also it get paused, and if I
nums or structs
come
or
back to
functions
this
or
tab,
anything else.
this
We can
window,
place
it
anything
will get
inside of a
resumed
module.
again. So that's what the extension is doing, right? And what I'll ask from you guys to clone this repo and upload it in your own extension list and check that out, right? So you can just explore the code and then maybe give some feedback, where is it breaking or what it needs to get improved, what more features that can be added, things like that, right? So yeah, so thank you for maybe you can just get the file, you can clone it, and yeah, then once you explore the extension, then you can give me some feedbacks on that. Yeah, thank you.